Hey gorgeous, welcome back to another video. And in this video, if you want to create mock-ups for your Christian t-shirt business, but you want a free mock-up generator to do it, I am so excited to share with you another tool that I literally just discovered. Y'all know I had to share it with you right away. It's called SMARTMOCKUPS.com, and you can use it to create free t-shirt mock-ups for your Christian t-shirt business. It's absolutely incredible. So to get started, go to smartmockups.com. You don't even have to sign up for an account. You don't have to do any of it. You're gonna go right here where it says browse all mockups, and you're gonna go right here to where it says apparel. Now you're gonna go ahead and scroll down, and you see how it says all photo isolated, all free premium? Go ahead and go to free. So this is only gonna give you the free option. So they have a ton more that you can use for just $9 a month. And if you are constantly doing creative for your t-shirt business, doing different ads and things like that, this is a great investment for you because you should be able to make your money back if it's only $9 a month. And if you sell one t-shirt, basically you make your money back. But the free version also has a ton of images that you can use. So my favorites are this one right here and this one right here. They're so cute. And you guys know I have the God That Would Grow sweatshirt, the God That Would Grow hoodie that I actually sell on my website. So this is perfect. So all you do is click it. And then on the side here, you click upload from right over here. I'm going to click upload from, upload image. And then on my desktop, I'm going to get my God That Would Grow logo, which is here. I'm going to click open. So you want to make sure that you have your logo in place. Now this is the actual image, but here is how it's going to look on the shirt. So you want to place it correctly. So right here, I'm just going to scan down because I want the logo to fit on the shirt. So that looks about right. And now I'm going to move it up where I actually place the logo on the God That Would Grow hoodie on my website. So I want to make sure it matches, because if you are making a mock-up, you want to make sure that it matches the actual shirt that you're selling. So I know that I have a white hoodie with these drawstrings and like the panel on front and then the logo here. That's why I'm so happy to use this. So make sure you know the product that you have first. Now once I'm finished placing it, I just click crop and continue. And now the mock-up is on there. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. And all I got to do now is click download. That's it. I'm going to get the super high quality one because why not? The better the quality. And then I'm just going to name this God That Would Grow hoodie mock-up. And then if I go ahead and open that, look at this gorgeous mock-up. And now I can go ahead and take this and place this in a social media post and run ads to it. I can put this as a mock-up on my actual website. I can use this in my email copy when I'm sending an email blast to my email list, and below it say, buy the God That Would Grow hoodie. I can post this as it is on my Facebook, on my Twitter, on my Pinterest, or I can design this more and like maybe put 2 different mock-ups in the image and add a little copy here. You can get really creative with this because this is a PNG file. So yeah, this is a brand new discovery. And I hope you guys love using this as much as I do. If you're not already subscribed to the God That Grow YouTube channel, make sure you hit that subscription button. My goal for this channel is to provide quality resources just like this that help you achieve your God-given purpose. So if you are a Christian entrepreneur and you want resources to help you achieve your purpose as a Christian entrepreneur, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And God willing, I will see you in the next video. Bye. Hey love, thanks so much for watching this video on my YouTube channel. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you hit that like button and click the subscribe button so you can get brand new videos that God That Would Grow releases. My mission with the God That Grow YouTube channel is for it to empower at least 5 million women of Christ to get unstuck, stop feeling frustrated, and start living God's greatest purpose for their lives. So if you want to join that movement, make sure you click the link below to join me in the God That Grow School of Purpose, where I literally teach you how to start living God's greatest purpose for your life step by step. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you on the next video.